Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Super Center, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Kia Forte, powered by a 2-liter engine, providing you with excellent fuel efficiency for getting around, and freshly detailed, so it's nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the trunk, which is relatively spacious and can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats, which you also have levers to do so from the back. And underneath here, you have your spare tire compartment area, or where there would have been a spare tire if this vehicle had one. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 with fold-out armrests and 2 cup holders in the middle. And this vehicle has remote keyless entry, which is always a nice convenience. But then looking into the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 66,915 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your buttons to cycle through your trip information here, such as your fuel economy, trip timer, average fuel economy, your trip A and B mileage, all that stuff, your distance to empty. And then moving on to the left, where you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. Moving completely to the left, you have your traction control shut off. And moving on to your center infotainment area, which is radio, Sirius, and then auxiliary and Bluetooth capable as well, I believe, and CD, so you can listen to quite a few options there. Above that, you have your hazards and your little clock there. Moving down, you have your media controls, of course, and then your climate controls. Pretty simple, almost just on 3 dials. And then moving down from that, you have this little cubby area with a 12-volt USB and auxiliary, so you can plug something into power or charge, or hook up your audio from there. And then you have your main shifter with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and you also have your drive mode selector here. So you have normal or nothing, and you have eco and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you have your parking brake, little cubby, 2 cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest, which is relatively spacious with a removable tray, so it's always nice. But I believe that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.